Hi, I'm James, and in this video we are taking a look at whether we can run the installer for Windows 11 on unsupported hardware. Now this is being recorded on the 5th of October, and this is the officially launched first day release of Windows 11. Now if we run our PC health check, we can see that this PC does not meet requirements. We have TPM 2.0 and we have a Kaby Lake Core i5 7500 processor. Now on our USB stick here we have the extracted or the copied on ISO for Windows 11, and we are going to run the installer from it, so the setup.exe file. We're going to tell it to skip checking updates just to save some time, and you will see here that we get a failure message. So as with this PC health check, we are told processor is not supported for this version of Windows, and the PC must support TPM 2.0. We are given no option to progress here, purely to find out about system requirements for Windows and to go back or close. Now there were some methods in the preview release where we could copy in some files from a Windows 10 installer. However, I've tried this method and this did not work. So instead, what we are going to do is we're going to shut down the machine. So hitting F8 has given us the boot menu on this ASUS board, and we are going to boot from the USB stick. This boots us into the traditional Windows, sort of Windows 8 style installer, so same as we had in 8, 10 and now in 11. We are going to choose to install now. Going to skip the product key, choose Windows 11 Home. And from here we again are greeted with a message saying this PC can't run Windows 11 and to look at the minimum requirements. So as it stands, there are no easy ways to run Windows 11 on unsupported hardware. It appears the methods that worked on some of the preview releases don't currently. This will probably change in the coming days as people get their heads around what is required to do this, but I will do an update video if those methods are made available. I hope you found this video useful, if not particularly what you were wanting to hear, but do hit me in the comments if you've got any suggestions on how to get this running or any questions, and thanks for watching.